Hello. Today we're going to talk about what plants need to grow big and strong. Just like us, plants need certain things to live and thrive. We'll explore the most important things that help plants grow. First up is sunlight. Plants use sunlight to make their own food in a process called photosynthesis. It's like the plant's superpower. Without enough sunlight, plants cannot make enough food and they might grow weak or not at all. Next, plants need water. Plants need water to stay hydrated and to help carry nutrients from the soil to all the other parts of the plant. Imagine trying to drink or eat without water. We wouldn't feel very good, and it's the same for plants. Plants also need some nutrients. These are like vitamins and minerals for plants, and they come from the soil. Important nutrients include things like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Think of the nutrients as the ingredients in a recipe that help plants grow all their parts. Plants need air too. Just like us, plants take in gases from the air, but not necessarily the same one. They use carbon dioxide to make food and release oxygen. This is the process called photosynthesis. They also need oxygen from the air to undergo respiration. Good air circulation always keeps plants healthy. Temperature is also important. Plants have different preferences for temperature. Some like it hot, some like it cool. If it's too hot or too cold, plants cannot grow properly. Think about how you feel if you're in a place that's too hot or too cold. Plants have similar feeling. Finally, plants need space to grow. Their roots need room to spread out and get water and nutrients, and their leaves need space to reach for sunlight. If plants are too crowded, they have to compete for these things, and they may not grow as well. So, to help plants grow their best, we need to give them sunlight, water, nutrients, air, the right temperature, and space. When plants have all these things, they can grow healthy and strong and help make our world a better place. Thank you for watching.